In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Delta Airlines gift card balance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to confirm your remaining funds with confidence. Have your gift card handy. You'll need the 13-digit number that starts with 006 and the 4-digit PIN or access code. Treat both like cash. Don't share them with anyone. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Delta's official website. Type something like Delta Airlines official site. In the results, look for the link that leads to delta.com. Make sure you see a secure connection indicated by the small padlock icon in your address bar, and avoid third-party sites or ads that mention gift cards but don't take you to Delta's own domain. Click the correct link to land on the home page. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button in the top right corner and sign in to your account. While you can browse without signing in, logging in helps ensure a smooth experience and keeps everything tied to your profile if you later decide to book a trip using that gift card balance. Next, navigate to the dedicated gift card page. You can usually find it from the site's main navigation or by using the site's search feature and typing gift card balance. You're looking for the page that specifically says check gift card balance or something similar. Open that page to access the balance lookup tool. In the balance checker, enter your 13-digit gift card number exactly as it appears. It begins with 006. If you're typing from an email, copy carefully and remove any extra spaces or dashes. If you have a physical card, check the front or back for the number. Make sure it's all digits with no letters. Now enter the 4-digit PIN or access code. On a physical card, this may be under a scratch-off panel on the back. For e-gift cards, you'll usually find it in the email you received when the card was issued. Enter it carefully and keep both the number and PIN secure. Click the lookup button to see your remaining funds instantly. The page should display your available balance right away. If the result doesn't appear, double-check that you typed the numbers correctly and try removing any spaces. You can refresh the page if needed or take a screenshot for your records. If you still run into issues, try another browser or visit Delta's Help Center through their official site for support. That's it. Quick, secure, and accurate. Thanks for watching and happy travels.